Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Ramadan Kareem, everyone. I still remember my excitement as Ramadan approached when I was a kid growing up back home. The sigh and sounds of all those times are vivid in my mind. But here, like American Ramadan, is different and lovely in its own way. I really want my kids to learn the importance and feel that festivity. So this year, I did a few DIY decor and projects which keep them involved and excited about Ramadan, and they would be learning all about Ramadan in a fun way. So I thought to share it with you guys today. So first DIY project would be a Ramadan banner, which I designed myself, and then I printed it out on a cardstock paper. And I will leave the link down below for you guys, whatever I'm using today, whatever I design, and then you can use it for yourself as well, and it's free. So I cut the banner out, and then with the punch hole, I punched the holes at the top on both sides. Then I took a satin ribbon and I thread the satin ribbon from the top, and as you can see, it's showing up at the back side instead of showing up at the front side. It's up to you however you want to do that, but I like it this way. And then I start threading the rest of the letters saying Ramadan, and at the end of when I left a little bigger hanging part, and then I tied the knot at the both ends. So here you can see my Ramadan banner is ready, and then I hung it up on the wall with the thumbtack. So I used the regular thumbtack and I tied the ribbon around the thumbtack. You can use nails as well. Now the second DIY is, you can call it Ramadan Advent Calendar. The idea behind this project is I want them to learn at least one hadith per day. So this bag have one hadith and of course goodies and toys for them. So I designed these cute backgrounds, numbers, and then I printed out the hadiths as well, cut all of them out, and then I'll be using these brown lunch bags, twine, and these cute cloth pins to hang them up. For the filling, I have these candies. I bought some Dollar Tree stuff, some books, and craft for them. Again, you can use whatever age appropriate stuff you want to do it. So I just cut the number out and then glue it on the background. I did it to give it a 3D look. Then I take a bag, put whatever one thing you want to do, then one hadith goes in the bag, and then I put the number on it. So I did the same thing with the rest of the bags. When all my bags were ready, then I again did the same thing. I put this jute twine with the thumbtack. You can use the nail as well. Then I put the bag and hung it there with the little cute cloth pin. I purposely picked up the brown bags to give it my wall a rustic look. And then those bags which were heavy, I attached them with the thumbtack on the wall as well. Then I make this Ramadan countdown or a Eid countdown calendar kind of a stuff. I saw this idea on Pinterest, and then I got to know that a lot of people are selling this at Etsy, but I thought to make it myself. This is just again to make kids get excited for Ramadan and of course for Eid as well. So one side is for Ramadan and then the back side is for Eid. So you can use it for the whole month. So for this, I'm using an empty tissue box and these foam blocks I bought from Walmart. I bought this one from Dollar Tree as well, but that one was a little bigger and not a complete cube. So I prefer to use the one which I got from Walmart, and they were way too cheaper from the Dollar Tree as well. Then I painted the tissue box with white acrylic paint, and for the foam box, I cut out the exact paper and cover all the sides because the foam blocks were a little crooked. So when it was completely dried, I used a Sharpie marker and I wrote the days till Eid and days before Ramadan on the other side. And then with the Sharpie marker, I wrote the numbers on the blocks as well. So this is the simplest and least inexpensive project I did, and my kids are really excited for this countdown. Now, just to create some more excitement and festivity, I designed this Ramadan Kareem frame and this little date bowl. So for this bowl, I just designed this cupcake liner kind of stuff, and then I stick it around a little bowl. As simple as that. You can add nuts or dates, anything, whatever you want. For this frame, just design it and attach it to a picture frame. And that's it. This is ready for my Ramadan decor. I'm thinking to add Ashra dua for the table, so I'll do each dua for each Ashra, inshallah. So here are a couple of those ideas which I am doing for my family to make my kids excited for this blessed month and feel that festivity which we used to feel back home. And if you have other ideas, please leave them in a comment. I would love to see that. And here you can see a few of the DIY lanterns there on the table. Ease did that, and I will leave the link down below for you guys, so you please show them some love and go and see how they did that. And if you are trying any of these DIY ideas, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. I would love to see your creation with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. And please remember me and my family in your prayers. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please click on the link to enjoy more videos like this.